Hello viewers and my dear students. Now we'll start with projection of solids demo on pentagonal pyramid. We have already covered three demos on square pyramid. That means session 1, session 2, session 3 they are covered demo on square pyramid. Now it is session 4 and I'll be starting with a demo on pentagonal pyramid. Please understand, under different sessions of projection of solids, I have clearly explained the concepts of entire projection of solids. That is, pyramids, prisms, cones, and all that. All have been explained already. Now, it is only the demo. That means, given a problem, how to do it using solid edge has been discussed here. Okay, now this is in fact is the problem 8 what I've discussed already. This problem 8 has been discussed already in length. How a pentagonal pyramid, okay, base size 25 and height has one of its base corners on HP with this axis inclined at 40 degrees to HP and the top of the axis inclined at 45 degrees to VP and all that. This type of problem, how to do and what are the procedures adopted, everything I've explained. This is a sort of revision exercise again for you, but using solid edge, I'll do slowly so that you will know the finer concepts, how to do problems without any mistake in the exam. Okay. Now you see here, this we'll start with the pentagonal pyramid. Okay. First you draw as usual on XY line. It is, as I told you, immediately before you forget this, I told you times New Roman 4 only you take. Okay. X, Y, VP, HP, everything you make it ready. Okay. This is X, this is Y, this is VP, this is HP, you make it ready. Okay. Now you see here, the problem is a pentagonal pyramid of base size 25 and height 50. Okay, 25 and height 50, I think it's okay. Now, you know how exactly it has to be done and all that, but still, as I said, it's a sort of revision. See here, you draw one 25 side, 25 you draw. Okay, this is one vertical line. Okay, and this is 25 minus 18 you draw. Okay, then from here also 25 plus 18. 25 plus 18 you take. Okay, you can wait for the alignment indicator. Can you see that alignment indicator? What you see, using that also 25 and 18, it is proper there. Length and angle you just see. In that way you get this. Okay, then again 25 minus 54. You can wait for the indicator also. 25 minus 54 you got. You stop at that and complete this. Okay, in that way you are able to complete this pentagon. Now, as you know, it is a top view, and also zoom it properly, because in the exam, okay, in the exam and all that, if you keep zooming it, it will be better for you. You will understand it better. Now you see here, and I've told you while doing pentagonal pyramid has 5 base edges and 5 slant edges. You have to manage throughout when it is inclined to HP, VP and all that. Totally 10 edges have to be accounted in both front view and top view. You should always see to it these 10 edges are managed. Some of the edges will be visible, some of the edges will be invisible. You have to take care of all those things. These things I have already explained in the session. Now you see how exactly I do now. Okay, now you see here, you will get the axis point now. Axis point, you draw one from middle point now, draw one perpendicular. From the middle point here, one draw on middle point. Okay, perpendicular you draw. Okay, once you draw, you are getting this is the perpendicular bisector of this line. This is the perpendicular bisector of this line. Okay. Okay, this, if you see here, I'll show it again. See here, from here, middle point. Okay, you see here, this is a vertical line. No? Can you see that? Okay, this is perpendicular to that line. Okay, you can draw this. Okay, in that way, it is the way this has to be done. From the middle point again, I'll show you. From the middle point, you draw on middle. Can you see this? Okay, perpendicular is there. You touch this one. Okay, once you do this point will be the axis point. Okay, now what you do for this, you take 0.5 from all these points now. For this you draw. Okay, now if you have done this, now I'll start naming. You'll know now. You see here, I'll start naming A, B, C, D, and E. See here, this is, let us say A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. Okay, this is E. And as you know here also, O you have, okay, O1 you have. That means this is the axis point O1. O1 is an imaginary axis. Okay. Now, as you know here, 10 edges are already managed in the top view. AB, BC, CD, DE, EA, 5 edges. O is the apex point. OA, OB, OC, OD, OE. I have another 5 edges. In that way, 10 edges are already over. Now, you see here, I'll go in the same way. I'll get the front of this. Carefully you do. Okay, you do this. You get the projectors and all that. Once you get the projectors, you get the, you see here, the important thing here is, you see here, from this is the axis point, correct? No? Axis point also you take. From this, first we'll see how much, what exactly is the axis length. Axis length is 50. Okay, first you adjust for 50. Axis length is, luckily it is 50. Okay, it is 50, and this is, this we already managed. This is 25. Okay, this is 25 and 50. This is axis point. You carefully see. This is axis. This you highlight, and compulsorily you show it in this way only. This you make it as an axis, and as you are aware, okay, I'll start naming also better. B dash bracket A dash, then C dash bracket E dash, D dash, O dash, O1 dash. Okay, now you see here, you carefully follow. When you're looking from here, B dash, A dash will be this point. Okay, this point is what B dash, A dash. This point will be C dash, E dash. Correct, no? Then this point will be D dash. Okay, and this point will be O dash, and this point will be O1 dash, which is the axis. Okay, now I'll darken the front view and all that. You see here, I'll darken the front view directly. I'll take 0.5 end of this. You join to the end of this, and then from here now you see here, this is pentagonal pyramid in the front view. Okay, now if you clearly observe A, B, C, D, E, OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, 10 edges here. Now in the front, you know, dark this itself is base. 5 edges you have base. This is one edge here. Then OC and OE are merging. C can be seen, E cannot be seen. In that way, OC, OE merging edges. Then OB can be seen, OA cannot be seen. OB and OA, these are all two merging edges. One behind the other. Can you follow? That means you have 5 edges here, 2 here, 2 here, 1 here. Okay, totally 10 edges. Height is 50, and this is axis O dash O dash. You make it as a light line 0.13 and show it as axis representation. Now you see here, these things I have told you so many number of times. This is a pentagonal pyramid, has both edge and corner position same. That means in this position, if I tilt right, it will be resting on corner D on HP. If I tilt this solid left, it will be resting on edge AB on HP. Okay. Now, if I completely tilt right, it will be resting on slant edge on HP. If you completely tilt left, it will be resting on triangular surface on HP. So many things are there. These things I have told you while doing different sessions. Here also it is just a revision for you. Now, the problem here says it is height has one of its base corners on HP. That's why one of its base corners on HP means you have to tilt right only. Okay, you have to tilt right only. That is why with this axis inclined at 40 degrees to HP. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just say I'll select this move command. Before that, a little bit this way. Then zoom, always, this will be always helpful here. This never forget, this you keep zooming it so that you will have confidence in doing. Okay, and the end-to-end joining and all that will be clear. Intersection point, end point and all that you can recognize. Okay, now I'll go for move command. I'll select the entire thing. Okay, then you see here, copy is also there. Copy also I want. Okay, then with reference to an end point, okay, you push it here and put escape. Okay, now the entire thing has been pushed here. Okay, this entire thing has come here, but now it has to be, the base should be inclined at that is corners on with axis inclined at 40 degrees to HP. When axis is inclined at 40, base should be inclined at 50. Okay, anyway. Okay, now what you do, no, you have rotate command. Select the entire thing. Okay, select the entire thing. Select this because this should be the fixed point because it is resting in corner on HP. Okay, this should be the fixed point. This should be the moving point. Now, with this as the thing, I'll rotate this way such that the base is inclined at 50 degrees to HP. Okay, once base is inclined at 50 degrees to HP, your axis see here, your axis should be inclined at 40 degrees to HP. Okay, in that way, this now it is corner HP with axis inclined at 40 degrees. When you make base inclined at 50, automatically this is a right angle triangle, no? It will be 50 degrees to 40 degrees to HP. Base is inclined at 50. Anyway, this is the end of session 4. We'll complete it in session 5. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.